Hello all. In this video, we'll look at changing the root password of your WiMonitor enterprise device. Now, before I begin, I'd like to mention that this is only to be done if you really feel that your device, even though it's always going to be standalone and connected to your own computer and not a network, has a possibility of being compromised. Having said that, let's actually jump into the VM. So, in the virtual appliance, let's actually open up a new terminal. Now, all of the scripts which you've run so far, get packet and others, what they do is they actually have the password hard-coded so they can seamlessly connect to the device, change configuration, pull packets, etc. So, once we change the device's root password, we will have to go and make changes in one location in the script. This is important, or else your scripts will stop working. So, just to illustrate, let's actually test our device with the usual get packets and Wireshark. So, I'm going to say get packets.py 2.4. So, this connects and we can see open FIFO to write packets. I'm going to go ahead and open a new terminal and change directory to WiMonitor, Wi-Fi analyzer, and then do my sudo wireshark-k-i/temp/WiMonitor24. And as we shall see, we should be able to stream and see the packets here locally. There you go, right? Now, let's go ahead and change the password on the device. So, I'm going to SSH into the device, root at 192.168.1.1. The default root password was OpenWRT662. So, I'm logging into the device and then let me type in password to change it. I'm going to change it to, let's say, ABC123321, just to illustrate a password change. Of course, not the best password. Now I can log out of the device. Now, if I try to run get packets once again, what you would actually notice is that the authentication failed, right? And the program exits. So, we need to go ahead and tell our scripts what the new password is. Now, inside the same remote device directory, there is a file called deviceconfig.py, and this contains the password. So, I'm going to use gedit deviceconfig.py, open it up, and if you notice, there is an option here, password, and the password is set to OpenWRT662. So, this would have to be changed to the new password. Make sure that you do not remove any of the single quotes, that is important. The new password is ABC123321. Let's save this in the device config. There we go. And now, let's run getpackets.py once again. And there you go. We can go back and connect to our device, and then we can rerun Wireshark. Everything is going to work perfectly. There you go. Now, it's also important to note that a lot of us end up changing passwords but then forget about it completely. Now, at this stage, if you do that, there might not be a way to recover the device easily. And this is really where you need to exercise a lot of caution if you change the default password. And if you do, not a problem, everything will work once the scripts have been told what the new password is. But make sure you write it down somewhere securely, right? Put it in a safe, put it in any place where you feel it is secure enough, but please don't forget it. That's all I have in mind for this video. Thank you.